Good day, learners! Welcome to another episode of Learning Mathematics. I am Teacher Christian May and I'll be your guide in enhancing your skills in mathematics. Ready your learning module, your pen and paper with you, and together, let's all have a wonderful day of learning. Earlier, we learned how to simplify, multiply, and divide rational expressions. Now, our lesson is all about expressing fractions in terms of least common denominator and addition and subtraction of rational expressions. And our objectives are: first, identify the least common multiple of two or more numbers. Second, express fractions in terms of least common denominator. Third, add and subtract rational expressions with same denominator. And lastly, add and subtract rational expressions with different denominator. Let us start our discussion. Expressing fractions in terms of least common denominator or LCD. Before we express fractions in terms of least common denominator, let us have a short review about finding the least common multiple of LCM of two or more numbers. The LCM, or least common multiple of two or more numbers, is the smallest number that contains the prime factorization of each number. Let's take a look at these examples. Find the LCM of 15 and 18. The factors of 15 is 3 times 5. And the factors of 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. And our LCM would be 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 and equals to 90. The LCM of 15 and 18 is 90. The least common multiple of two or more polynomials is the simplest polynomial that contains the factors of each polynomial. To find the LCM of two or more polynomials, first, factor each polynomial completely. The LCM is the product of each factor, the greatest number of times it occurs in any one factorization. Let's take a look at these examples. Find the LCM of 3x plus 3 and 2x squared plus 4x plus 2. First, let us factor each completely. And the factors of 3x plus 3 is equals to 3 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 1. And the factors of 2x squared plus 4x plus 2 is equals to 2 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 1 raised to 2. And as you can see, our LCM is equals to 3 times 2 times the quantity of x plus 1 squared. And our LCM is equals to 6 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 1 squared. And the LCM of 3x plus 3 and 2x squared plus 4x plus 2 is 6 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 1 squared. Now that you know how to find the LCM of two or more numbers, it's time to express two fractions in terms of LCD. When adding and subtracting fractions, it is often necessary to express two or more fractions in terms of common denominator. This common denominator is the LCM of the denominators of all the fractions and is called least common denominator or LCD. Let's take a look at these examples. Write the fractions 9 over the quantity x minus 1 squared and 6 over x to multiply by the quantity x minus 1 in terms of the LCD. As you can see, our LCD is equals to x multiplied by the quantity x minus 1 squared. Again, in order for us to express these two expressions in terms of the LCD, let's multiply the numerator and the denominator by the factors whose product with the denominator is the LCD. Let's multiply 9 over the quantity x minus 1 squared by x over x. 9 times x is equals to 9x, and the quantity x minus 1 squared times x is equals to x multiplied by the quantity x minus 1 squared. And let's multiply 6 over x multiplied by the quantity x minus 1 by the x minus 1 over x minus 1. 6 times x minus 1 is equals to 6 multiplied by the quantity x minus 1 over x multiplied by the quantity x minus 1 times x minus 1 is equals to x multiplied by the quantity x minus 1 squared. And now, 9x over x multiplied by the quantity x minus 1 squared and 6 multiplied by the quantity x minus 1 over x multiplied by the quantity x minus 1 squared now have the same denominators. Adding and subtracting rational expression with the same denominator. When adding and rational expression in which the denominators are the same, add the numerators. The denominator of the sum is the common denominator, or a over c plus b over c is equals to a plus b all over c. When subtracting rational expressions in which the denominators are the same, subtract the numerators. The denominator of the difference is the common denominator. Write the answer in the simplest form, or a over c minus b over c is equals to a minus b all over c. Let's have some examples for you to better understand. Example number 1. 9 over y plus 9 plus y over y plus 9. And the answer is equals to 9 plus y over y plus 9. As you can see, y plus 9 plus y is also equals to y plus 9 over y plus 9. And y plus 9 over y plus 9 is also equals to 1. Adding and subtracting rational expression with different denominators. Before two fractions with different denominators can be added or subtracted, each fraction must be expressed in terms of the least common denominator or LCD. Example number 1. X plus 8 over x squared minus 5x minus 6 plus x plus 1 over x squared minus 4x minus 5. Step 1 is to factor the denominators to find the LCD. X plus 8 over the factors of x squared minus 5x minus 6 is equals to the quantity of x minus 6 multiplied by the quantity x plus 1 plus x plus 1, and And the factors of x squared minus 4x minus 5 is equals to the quantity of x minus 5 multiplied by the quantity x plus 1. As you can see, our LCD is equals to the quantity x plus 1 multiplied by the quantity x minus 6 multiplied by the quantity x minus 5. Step 2 is to rewrite each rational expressions as an equivalent expression whose denominator is the LCD. Let's multiply x plus 8 over the quantity x minus 6 multiplied by the quantity x plus 1 by x minus 5 over x minus 5. And our answer is equals to x squared plus 3x minus 40 over x plus 1 multiplied by the quantity x minus 6 multiplied by the quantity x minus 5. And let's multiply x plus 1 over the quantity x minus 5 multiplied by the quantity x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 6 over x minus 6. And our answer is equals to x squared minus 5x minus 6 all over x plus 1 multiplied by the quantity x minus 6 multiplied by the quantity x minus 5. Now that we have the same denominators, we can now proceed to step 3, which is adding the numerators. X squared minus 3x plus 3x minus 40 over x plus quantity x plus 1 multiplied by the quantity x minus 6 multiplied by the quantity x minus 5 plus x squared minus 5x minus 6 over the quantity x plus 1 multiplied by the quantity x minus 6 multiplied by the quantity x minus 5. Now we combine like terms. X squared plus x squared is equals to 2x squared. 3x plus negative 5x is equals to negative 2x. Negative 40 plus negative 6 is equals to negative 46 over quantity x plus 1 multiplied by the quantity x minus 6 multiplied by the quantity x minus 5. Now our final answer is equals to 2x squared minus 2x minus 46 over the quantity x plus 1 multiplied by the quantity x minus 6 multiplied by the quantity x minus 5. Example number 2. X over x squared plus 15x plus 56 minus 6 over x squared plus 13x plus 42. Step 1 is to factor the denominator to find the LCD. X over the factors of x squared plus 15x plus 56 is equals to the quantity of x plus 8 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 7 minus 6 over the factors of x squared plus 13x plus 42 is equals to the quantity of x plus 7 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 6. And our LCD is equals to the quantity of x plus 8 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 7 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 6. Now we proceed to step 3. We we multiply x plus the quantity of x plus 8 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 7 by x plus 6 over x plus 6. Our answer is equals to x squared plus 6x over the quantity x plus 8 multiplied by the quantity x plus 7 multiplied by the quantity x plus 6. And we multiply x over x squared by x plus 8 multiplied by the quantity x plus 7 by x minus 8 plus 8 over x plus 8 is equals to 6x plus 48 over the quantity of x plus 8 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 7 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 6. Now that we have the same denominators, we can now proceed to step 3, which is subtracting the numerators. X squared plus 6x over the quantity of x plus 8 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 7 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 6 minus 6x plus 48 over the quantity of x plus 8 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 7 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 6. Now we combine like terms. X squared 6x minus 6x is equals to 0. X squared plus 48 all over the quantity x plus 8 multiplied by the quantity x plus 7 multiplied by the quantity x plus 6. And our final answer is equals to x squared plus 48 all over quantity x plus 8 multiplied by the quantity x plus 7 multiplied by the quantity x plus 6. Learners, it's time for you to try solving by yourself because practice makes perfect. So, get your pen and paper with you and let's try to solve addition and subtraction of rational expressions. Add x over x plus 1 plus 3 over x minus 1. Say F if your answer is x squared minus 2x plus 3 all over quantity of x plus 1 multiplied by quantity of x minus 1. And hooray! If your answer is x squared plus 4x plus 3 all over quantity of x plus 1 multiplied by quantity of x minus 1. What do you think, learners? Hep or hooray? If we were to add x over x plus 1 and 3 over x minus 1, first, let's find the LCD. The LCD is equals to the quantity of x plus 1 multiplied by the quantity of x minus 1. Rewrite its expression in terms of the LCD. X over x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 over x minus 1 is equals to x squared minus x over the quantity of x plus 1 multiplied by the quantity of x minus 1. 3 over x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 over x plus 1 is equals to 3x plus 3 over the quantity x plus 1 multiplied by the quantity x minus 1. And our answer is equals to the quantity x squared minus x multiplied by the quantity 3x minus 3 over the quantity x plus 1 multiplied by the quantity x minus 1 is equals to x squared plus 2x plus 3 over the quantity x plus 1 multiplied by the quantity x minus 1. And the right answer is hep. Subtract x plus 4 over 2x minus x minus 1 over x squared. Say hep if your answer is x squared plus 2x plus 4 all over 2x squared, and you say hooray if your answer is x squared plus 2x plus 2 all over 2x squared. What do you think, learners? Hep or hooray? If we are to subtract x plus 4 over 2x and x minus 1 over x squared, first find the LCD. The LCD is 2x squared. Rewrite each expression in terms of the LCD. X plus 4 over 2x multiplied by x minus x is equals to x squared plus 4x over 2x squared. And x minus 1 over x squared multiplied by 2 over 2 is equals to 2x minus 2 over 2x squared. And our answer is equals to the quantity of x squared plus 4x minus the quantity of 2x minus 2 over 2x squared. And the final answer is equals to x squared plus 2x plus 2 over 2x squared. And the right answer is hooray! And that's the end of our lesson about addition and subtraction of rational expressions. Always remember, math is sometimes too complex to understand. But through practice and studying hard, together we can all become math tibay. Again, I am Teacher Christian May, and I hope you learn a lot. Have a great day. Bye!